Good morning dear students, welcome to our maths class. We were doing exercise 6.5 related to Pythagoras theorem. 13th question we have already done. Now in today's Zoom class we have done question number 14, 15 and 16. So I am sending YouTube link also so that you can revise it properly again. Okay, in 14th question this is given. In triangle ABC they have given a triangle ABC in which AD is perpendicular to BC. They have given AD is perpendicular to BC. Also they have given BD is equal to 3CD. जो BD है वो CD का 3 times है. So we have to prove this one also. Now look at the statement firstly. AB square AC square. It means AB square this side square and this side square. Okay. So I apply Pythagoras theorem because there is 90 angle also there and I need square of hypotenuse also. So in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, this one triangle, okay, hypotenuse square is equal to hypotenuse AC, perpendicular AD square, base is CD square. Okay, this is equation number 1. Now I will apply Pythagoras on this one because I need AB square. So in triangle ABD, Pythagoras hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, equation number 2. Now look at the statement. I have AB and AC on different side. It means if AC comes on this side, it becomes negative. So I know that there is a negative sign between them. So I will subtract these equations. Subtract 1 and 2. Subtract 1 and 2 equation. I will subtract these equations. Now subtract this one. AB square minus AC square. AB square minus AC square. AD square minus AD square is 0. We will cut it. Next is BD square minus CD square. Now this I already need. Now I need the value of BD and CD. From this line you can see BC is equal to BD plus CD. BC जो है CD and BD का plus है. Okay. Now BD same. BD they have given 3CD. So I will put value here 3CD plus CD. Here 4CD. What is 4CD? BC. Now value of CD is BC by 4. Okay, I got the value of CD BC by 4. If I put this value CD in this equation, then I have BD is equal to 3CD. BD is equal to 3. CD value is BC by 4. Now I have CD and BD both values. I will put here. BD value is 3 BC by 4 का square minus CD is BC by 4 whole square. Now open the bracket. 3 3s are 9. BC square is BC square. 4 4s are 16 minus BC square by 16. 9 BC square minus 1 because base is same. 9 BC square minus 1 BC square. It's 8 BC square by 16. 8 1s are 8 2s are. So it's BC square by 2. This 2 comes on this side because this is going on already. 2 multiply by this 2AB square minus 2AC square is equal to BC square. Now this comes on this side. So I will have 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. This is my answer. I have proved the statement. Okay. Hanji student, next question 15 is they have given an equilateral triangle ABC in which BD is equal to BC by 3. BD is third portion of BC. We have to prove 9 AD square plus 7 AB square. If this is equilateral triangle, it means the altitude divides the opposite side in equal parts because altitude and median are same in equilateral triangle. So construction what I have drawn AE is perpendicular to BC, and if this is median also, so what will be the value of BE? BC by 2. It means BE है जो BC का half over. Okay, proof. In triangle, which triangle I will take? It depends on the two proof side. AD square, AB square. It means I need square of this side and square of this side. If I want to apply Pythagoras, I need 90 angle also. So I will take ABE triangle and ADE triangle. So in triangle ADE, firstly I will take small triangle. So by Pythagoras, hypotenuse square, perpendicular square plus base square. This is equation number 1. Next triangle ABE. By Pythagoras, AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square, number 2. Now AB and AE, if AB comes on this side, it must have negative sign. So we must need negative sign. I am going to subtract these. Subtract. Cut out. Now AD square minus AB square is equal to DE square minus BE square. AD square, AB square I need. But BE square, DE square I don't need. But I don't need the value of BE. It's BC by 2. I put the value of BE, BC by 2. Now find the value of DE from this one. Look at DE. If I subtract BD from BE, BE minus BD, I have the value DE. पूरी BE में से BD निकाल दी तो DE बच गया. तो BE की वैल्यू क्या है? BC by 2. BD की वैल्यू BC by 3 is equal to DE. By base same multiply by 3, multiply by 2, base same 6, upper side 3 BC minus 2 BC, 1 BC. So DE value is BC by 6. I will put here BC by 6 square. When I solve all the terms, I got BC square by 36 minus BC square by 4. By cross multiplication by base same, I got answer by subtracting minus 8 BC square by 36. Okay, on 4 table 4 7s are 4 9s are. It's minus 7 4 2s are 2 BC square by 9. Okay, 2 BC square by 9. This 9 goes on this side because this is already going with 8. So 9 AD square minus 9 AB square is equal to minus 2 BC square. This I have now. But I know that this is an equilateral triangle. So in place of BC I can write AB. So I have next 9 AD square minus 9 AB square is equal to, I will put the value here, minus 2 AB square because it is a equilateral triangle. So in place of BC I can write AB. 9 AD on this side, here is minus 2 AB square plus 9 AB square. This goes on this side become plus. Minus 2 plus 9 is 7 AB square, here is 9 AD square. This is my answer. Okay, 16th and 17th question, try by yourself. They are similar to this one, related to Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.